One of the reasons why many potentially viable businesses do not start is because they are simply unable to gather the resources needed to get their idea off the ground. In order to start and grow, every business needs to acquire a range of resources, and these fall largely into the following categories. So the first thing we need to consider is financial resources. Economic resources represent the raw materials and the supply chain needed to produce and distribute goods in the business environment. And without adequate startup and ongoing financial resources, the business will simply not be viable. Next, we need to think about organisational resources, and in any business, the size of the company will determine the type of activities the manager performs in the business. For example, in a larger organisation, a production manager might direct team or group leaders who then oversee the scheduling and output of workers, whereas in a small company, the production manager might perform all of these activities themselves. Managers assess the performance of the department or company against the business's goals and plans, but it's very likely that in a small startup business, these resources will be provided almost exclusively by the owners, who may be supported by their network of contacts who may assist in the business on a casual part-time or unpaid business. This is very normal. The next area we need to think about is technological resource. Business technology allows business owners to improve their company's operations, and in any business, technology is likely to play an important part in the day-to-day operation of the business in areas such as manufacturing processes or alternatively e-commerce. Clearly, however, there may be challenges around the cost of implementing such technology and the skills and expertise needed to manage this technology. We also need to consider physical resources, and this relates to the tangible capital resources which will be used by the business over a longer period, such as equipment, plant machinery and buildings. Obtaining physical resources again has financial implications, and this can present real challenges to any new business. Lastly, we need to think about human resources. A small business manager needs to develop their own personal qualities that will be helpful in performing his or her work in the most efficient manner. However, they also need to source employees and develop them to create a positive work environment and a prosperous company.